Yes, this is Andrew at Real McCoy Driving School. Just want to talk to you guys today. It's 8 o'clock today on the 20th. Right now, today is going to be a really crazy day. We have classic matchup. We have teen and adult. What I've seen in the past, what usually happens is that the adult fails and the teen passes. So we have the adult right now who is 38. Not really listening. You know, he's doing his own thing. He thinks he's got it all taken care of, but at the same time, he's not using the gas properly. Then also we have 16-year-old driving really good, tall girl, drives really good, really wants to drive, has a reason to drive. You know, so we're gonna see what happens. My prediction is that somebody's feelings is gonna get hurt today, and it's not gonna be mine. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible, and we're gonna see what happens. This is the driving school. Yeah, it's me again, man. Right on the road test site. Teenager just got the license as I predicted. The adult definitely changed. Is driving a lot much better now. I feel as if he is getting his mind right to get his driver's license. He doesn't want to fail. So he was looking really good between yesterday and today. And he just took off. Again, teenager just got the license like I predicted. So let's see what will happen with the adult. Okay, adult is coming back right now, and we're gonna see the results. Okay, he got the hazard lights on. He's coming down slow. Okay, he stopped a little bit too early though right there. Okay, he's gonna push in. Okay, push up. He looked like he gotta push up more. All right, and he's right there. Come on, Carter, across the street. Watch everything. Okay, we're crossing the street now. See what's gonna happen. See what you got there, Eric. Your license there. All right. What contributed to you getting your license, man?
The McCoy Driving School, man.
Awesome. All right. So, what are you gonna do with your driver's license next? What next now?
Probably buy a Beamer. Why not?
Awesome. All right. Take care. Drive safe, man.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
So just want to make a conclusion to this video. Both did pass, adult and teen. Was skeptical to begin with in the morning time. A lot of times the adult does fail, but this guy Eric did get it together. Okay, so it's really a good day right now. 2 people passed. Eric got his license. Carly got a license. Everything is good.